Here I've got Apple iPad Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick Touch ID and passcode, and obviously go to Add a Fingerprint. It's here. Now you have to place your finger on the home button, so I will do it with my thumb. And now just leave it and rest until it's fully added. And now we'll just add the edges, so it's easier to unlock the device. And as you can see, that's it. Touch ID is ready, so click on continue. And now it's time to set the backup passcode. Let me enter 123789. 123789. And that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. And if you will borrow someone this iPad, he or she will be able to unlock your device with the passcode that we set up as the backup. And that will be all. This is how you can add fingerprint to your Apple iPad Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.